Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join and leave groups on Roblox. So if you're trying to find a group and join it, or you're trying to leave a group on Roblox you're already a member of, in this tutorial, you'll learn how to do that. Now, while I'll be doing this in the desktop browser on a computer, you can perform these same steps on your iPhone or Android phone in the Roblox mobile app, but the menu items might be a little different. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open the browser on our computer and go to roblox.com. From there, just select Login in the top right and log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, go open to the top left to open up the Roblox menu by selecting the three horizontal lines. In the menu that appears, go ahead and select Groups. This will bring you to the Roblox group page where you can find groups that you want to join. You can look at a couple categories here and select See All to see more of them, or you can go to the top and search for groups that you want to join. Once you find a group that you want to join, simply select the group and open it up. Then on the group page, go ahead and select Join Group. You might have to go through some verification steps, so select Verify, and then go through those steps. Now, if it was a public group, you will automatically join the group, but if it is not a public group, you'll have to wait for the admins of the group to accept your request to join their group. Now, if you're trying to leave a group, you can see the groups that you're currently a part of by going to the Groups page, like we did in the beginning, and then going to My Groups right here above the Search Groups function. This will show you all the groups that you're currently a member of in the left sidebar. Now we just need to select the group we want to leave. Then once you have selected that group, select the three horizontal dots in the right side of the group, and then select Leave Group. Then just confirm that you want to indeed leave that group. And then there you go. You are no longer a member of that group on Roblox. All right, so that's how you join and leave groups on Roblox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.